This component is a typical finish part produced on our new SBD custom machine. Precisely machined, angle cut on both sides, drilled and doweled. Whether short or long parts, straight or curved components, the SBD machine is built to handle a wide variety of products. The SBD machine integrates sawing, drilling, and doweling into one system, consolidating multiple processing steps within a single unit. Two identical machining units, powered by a total of 20 servo motors, operate simultaneously from both sides of the workpiece. Each workpiece can be saved as a dataset and selected instantly through an intelligent program management system. At the touch of a button, the machine automatically adjusts to the selected product. The operator then positions the component precisely, using the integrated stops. This allows workpieces of various sizes to be securely clamped and machined on both sides. Full clamping pressure is only applied once the start button is activated. Each piece is cut to size at the desired angle with repeatable precision, then drilled and doweled to the exact depth defined in the program. The machine control is powered by software developed entirely in-house. Customer-specific requirements are implemented as modular extensions, becoming a permanent part of the machine software. One of the machine's newly developed features is its dowel feeding system. Different dowel sizes are available at the same time, with no need for changeovers. The selection unit seamlessly feeds the machine with the exact dowel required. Depending on the dowel type and insertion depth, the correct amount of adhesive is automatically dispensed and monitored by flow sensors. Maximum safety is ensured by an automatic sliding door, a safety light barrier, and full perimeter fencing. The machining units are modular in design and can be individually configured to meet specific customer requirements. The SBD machine provides a highly flexible solution for modern serial production, transforming raw stock into assembly-ready components.